Today we are going to be taking notes on remainder theorem. So if you think back to Unit 1, whenever I ask you to evaluate a function at a given x value, typically all you have to do is plug in this x value for all of the x's here and figure out what the equation equals. That seems really simple, right? Well, it's not that simple when you're given large exponents like x to the fifth and x to the fourth, and when you're expected to do it without a calculator. So that's when remainder theorem comes into play, and it is a lifesaver. So remainder theorem works with long division or synthetic division, but here I'm going to do a quick problem with synthetic division. I went ahead and checked the powers. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I don't need any placeholders. My divisor is already set equal to 0, so I don't have to do anything with that. I went ahead and moved my divisor into the little box, and I've moved down all of my coefficients. Let's go ahead and get this process started. Remember, you don't have to do anything with the first coefficient, so you can just go ahead and bring that down. Now you're going to multiply the first coefficient by our c value, which is 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. We're going to place that under the second coefficient. So now we add these two numbers together. -3 plus 12 gives us positive 9. I then multiply 9 by my c value again. So 9 times 3 equals 27. And again, place this under the next coefficient. So here I have 27. So 1 plus 27 is 28. Again, multiply 28 by 3. And this gives me 84. Put that under the next coefficient. 84 minus 6 gives me 78. Now again, 78 times 3. I believe this gives me 234. Place that under the next number. 234 plus 8 gives me 242. Now finally, 242 times 3 gives me 726. And then we're going to place that under the last number. And then 726 plus -15 gives me my final answer of 711. Remember that the very last number that you get is your remainder. And according to remainder theorem, when I plug in 3 into this equation, my answer is going to be 711. Just to confirm with y'all, I went ahead and plugged 3 in on Desmos, and looky here, 711. So to make your life easier, I know some of these numbers get kind of big, but not as big as they would if you used all of the exponents. To make your life easier, do synthetic division. Whatever your remainder is, that's your answer. Following this, you have 2 questions and then another video on factor theorem, and then 2 questions after that. Hope you're safe during this storm. Peace out.